Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to put money on your PayPal account. So let's go to Google Chrome. We need to do this on a browser. You can't do this on the PayPal app. So you need to log in with your PayPal account, and here you will see deposit or withdraw money. Click on that, and here you will see deposit money. So let's press on the first option. And this here is your PayPal IBAN number. Anyone who transfer money on this IBAN is gonna go direct into your PayPal account. Let's go back. So let's see the other option. Press on add money using GiroPay. And here the minimum amount is 50 euros or dollars. So let's press continue. And then you need to click on continue and fill your bank account information. This process, it's gonna take 3 to 5 business days. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I would really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any question you have in the comment section below, and I will see you guys next time.